I gave you every heartbeat I could spare. You turned your back like I was never there. Your love became a poison in my veins. I tried to save us, but you let it fade. You said forever like a promise made of dust. Now all I taste is rust. We lost the fire, we swore we'd never lose. You walked away while I was bleeding through. I'm picking up the pieces of what we know, rebuilding the ruins you left when you moved on too soon. You used my heart like it was yours to break, left me drowning in the mess you made. Your words were knives dressed up as comfort, and I believed every lie that hurt. How could you promise love and walk away? You turned our world to gray. We lost the fire, we swore we'd never lose. You walked away while I was bleeding through. I'm picking up the pieces of what we know, rebuilding the ruins you left when you moved on too soon. You tore my heart out without a second try. You left me ignorant, but I'm still breathing, laden with the pain you blind. You love the power, not the person. You love control, not devotion. Now I see through